First, I would like to respect to teachers and everyone. My name is Lily. Today, I'm reading about the two palm trees. Once upon a time, in a small village near Siem Reap, there were two palm trees growing side by side. The first palm tree was tall and proud. Every day it looked down on the second tree and said, I am stronger and more beautiful than you. The people will only take my fruits. The second palm tree was smaller and quick. It didn't reply or argue. It just kept growing slowly and sharing shade with the children who play under it. One year a big storm came. The wind blew very hard and rain fell for many days. The third palm tree tried to fight the wind. It stood stiff and proud, but soon it broke and fell to the ground. The smaller palm tree bent with the wind. It moved, it swam, and when the storm ended, it was still standing when the villagers came out after the storm. They saw that the big palm tree had fallen, but the smaller one was still alive. They took care of it and said, this little palm tree is wise. It is strong because it knows how to bend. From that day, the small palm tree grew taller and everyone in the village loved it. Thank you everyone and thank you teacher for watching my video.